How's it going, everybody? These are new tires I got from Mike Zikopoulos. Vulcan Wild Peaks, all terrains are pretty awesome. As you can see, it's a little droopy here. I've got new shocks I got from Mike as well. I'm going to try and install those today. We got it up on the ramps. Here's the front. Mike did a lot of work in here. He did some trimming down here, did a really nice job on both sides. Tires look amazing. Yes, it is an Astro, but it's my Astro. I love it. There's some more work that he did. So the tolerances are pretty good here. I haven't tried doing anything on any hills or anything yet. I do have some issues with the rear. One side is about 1.5 inches higher than the other, so I may actually have to mess with the leaf springs as well. But let's get the shocks on first. Okay. I'm under here. I just loosened the bolts up here for the shocks. Can't really see what I'm doing here. So all the bolts loosened up real well. I got to do the other side, loosen them up as well. But I'll take them off. I'll get back in a minute and show you how they fit. I'll probably have to get a jack in here to lift it up to fit. Well, look at this. Went in pretty easy. I haven't tightened everything down yet. But I got the bolt in first, maybe second try. So once I tighten this up, I'll go to the other side. Looks like it might be lifting it up some, so we're going to be in for an interesting ride. Well, yes, I know I have greasy. I have some sort of leak there, but that's all old grease, and I don't see anything coming out anymore, so we're going to check it later. But new shocks are in. This one was the pain. Kind of hard to get that. This one fell right in, perfect. This one was hard to line that bottom bolt up, but I got it. So we're going to take it down and take a look at it. Okay, so we're done. I've got the tires on. Mind you, this is a few hours later. I actually took a drive. But passenger side is still about 1 inch lower, which is okay. I can make some adjustments with the leaf springs on that side. Drop the leaf springs down. That'll bring that side up. It's kind of a weird lean. But tires seem awesome. Everything looks really cool. Front end looks good. Let me show you the back. Again, I want to thank Mike for helping me out yesterday, hooking me up with. I'm going to try and hold it level. This side is lower. Hard to see though. Mike did a great job helping me out, fixing the front. Oh, you can also see under there my spare tire. Full spare, just like the other ones. Great deal I got yesterday. Thank you so much, Mike.